Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Negril, and Negril is in Westmoreland, Jamaica. It's the westerlymost part of Jamaica. Okay, so Negril is it's a very popular tourist destination. It has hundreds of hotels. It has one of the nicest beaches you will ever find anywhere in the world. Okay, on the left is Margaritaville, and that's a very popular restaurant. And they have the facilities where you can swim out in the sea and have like a bouncer boat in the water. So Negril is very popular. It's a very popular destination for tourists. So you find you're going to have a lot of hotels, and Negril has some of the finest hotels in the world. You have 5-star hotels like Rio, Sandals, Beaches, a lot of them. Royalton, Hedonism, and these are massive hotels that, like, one of these hotels could, some of these hotels, a single property could have up to 3,000 rooms. And this section on the grill now, you have smaller hotels. These aren't really the all-inclusive. Some of them are, but these hotels are smaller, probably a few, like 100 rooms or less. The reason is, as you get closer to the town center, those hotels were built before Negril really exploded as a major tourist destination. So as you go further out, like where we are now, this is the beach's property, and you can see the size of the hotel. This entire stretch of road from where we pass that gate to the gate we're going to come up on is the hotel. Now this hotel has thousands of rooms. So as we reach this side of Negril now, you're going to find the larger hotels, and that's because as Negril grew, the hotels got bigger and there was no space in closer to the town center, so they had to move further out until they eventually reached Hanover. Now when tourists come into Jamaica, there is no airport in Negril, so they have to fly into the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, and then it's a 45-minute drive from that airport to Negril. Now just to give you an example of how busy Negril is as a tourist destination. Sangster International Airport is the largest and busiest airport in Jamaica, but 80% of the Jamaican population lives in Kingston or close to Kingston, and they would use a Norman Manley International Airport. But the Sangster International Airport is where you find more tourists coming in, and that airport is busier and larger than the one in Kingston. So that will give you an example of just how much tourists visit Jamaica. And Negril is one of the 3 major spots that you'll find tourism. You have hotels in Ocho Rios, West Montego Bay, and Negril. Those are the 3 main spots where you find these large hotels in Jamaica. I don't know if you can pick up a picture of the ocean or the beach on the left. And to give you another example of how busy Negril is, sometimes you try to get a hotel room in Negril and they're booked out. A hotel that can hold 5,000 people is fully booked out. And that's just one hotel. I have probably like 6 or 7 hotels of that size in Negril, and at times they're all booked out. Okay, on the left is another one of those massive hotels. I won't tell you the name, but you can see the building. I think this one is Azul. Let's see. Yeah, Azul Beach Resort. Okay, on the right now is the Cool Runnings water park, and this is the largest water park in Jamaica. It has all the slides, everything you find in a water park. And just to give you an example of how big this hotel is, on the left is still the Azul Beach Resort property. It extends all the way down here. At this gate, green gate, is where the hotel property ends. On the left now is another one of those massive hotels. See where the hotel starts? This one looks like Sandals. Yeah, this is Sandals. And Sandals is the largest hotel chain in Jamaica and the Caribbean. It's one of those ultra all-inclusive hotels, 5-star hotel. Alright, now here you have the Hedonism 2 Hotel, and you have the Royalton. These are more some more of the large hotels. You have Hideaway, which is and Grand Lido. Alright, so that's it for the tour of Negril. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.